Oh man, whoa. Today's video is going to be an experiment. Let's see if I can take this and turn it into this. A few weeks back, I did a video on sliced beef cheek, and it got me thinking. Because a beef cheek is a very similar size to a hamburger patty, I wanted to see if I could take a beef cheek, smoked, then confit, and turn it into a cheeseburger. I think it's going to be good. If you're unfamiliar with the beef cheek, it is an extremely rich cut of meat, and as you can see, it's also quite gnarly looking. But if you take a little time, a little bit of knife work, you can clean it up. You'll get a lot of extra meat that you can then smoke and turn into barbacoa. But for today's video, we're going to focus mainly on the cheeks themselves and see what happens. For the seasoning today, I'm going with my standard brisket rub that has been kicked up just a notch. So we have 2 parts black pepper, that's 16 mesh black pepper, 1 part kosher salt, 1/4 part garlic powder, granulated garlic in this case. And just to kick it up a notch, I went with 1/4 part chili powder. This doesn't take much. Gonna thoroughly coat these things. These are thoroughly seasoned. Let's go get them on the pit. So you want to take the thinnest part of the beef cheek, put it on here, and you want to butt this up to it. That way, hopefully everything will cook evenly and you won't have any rough, craggly dry spots. Shut this down and we'll check back in a minute. So it's been about 3.5 hours. We've maintained temps right at 250. Cheeks are at 165. Actually, technically it's like 167. So we're going to go ahead and get them in a tallow bath and let them continue to cook until they are fall apart tender. So now I'm going to take these inside. I'm going to put a layer of plastic wrap over them and then 2 layers of tin foil, and they're going to go into my oven at 250 degrees until they are probe tender. All right, so we are done. Let's unwrap this and see what we're looking like. Taking the plastic off, essentially just steaming these. Oh yeah, tender, man, super tender. Ooh, it's hot. This thing is tender. It is just about to fall apart, which is right where I want it. I want it to be bite through once we put it on the burger. So that's what I was going for. Got a Martin's potato bun, beef cheek, slice of American cheese. I'm gonna throw this under the broiler just to melt the cheese for a second. I almost forgot my lettuce. Couple of red onions. And to finish it off, just a couple of spicy pickles. There it is. All right, let's get a cross section of this. Oh man, look at that smoke ring. Oh, this is gonna be decadent. Now I will tell you, I didn't go with any kind of sauces on this, no ketchup, no mustard, nothing like that, because I'm trying to get this beef cheek to be the star of the show. So let's see how it is. Oh man. Whoa. Oh man. Oh. I'll tell you this. This is out of this world with the richness of the beef cheek. I think half a burger is all you're going to need. This thing is rich. It's tasty though. It's so tasty. Yum. All right. I'm going to consider this experiment a success. Jump on this, give it a try. It will not disappoint you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to just a few more people. So help me to continue to spread the word. And with that, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I'll catch you next time.